Coal miner. Working in coal mines is notoriously dangerous due to poor working conditions, the risk of explosions, and exposure to toxic substances. Additionally, work often takes place underground with little ventilation and tight spaces. Sewer worker. This job involves cleaning and maintaining sewage systems and can be extremely unsanitary and hazardous due to exposure to raw sewage, toxic chemicals, and adverse working conditions. Wind turbine technician. People who perform maintenance on wind turbines have to climb tall structures at considerable heights and face challenging weather conditions. It's a job that requires courage and exceptional physical skills. Landfill garbage collector. Collecting and processing garbage in landfills involves heavy labor, exposure to hazardous substances, and unpleasant odors. Additionally, working conditions can be tough due to heat, cold, and exposure to animals and insects. Slaughterhouse worker. Working in an animal slaughterhouse can be emotionally distressing and physically demanding. Workers often face long hours, cold and damp environments, and the task of slaughtering animals. It's important to note that these jobs are just a few examples, and while they may be considered difficult and challenging, many workers perform these roles with dedication and play an essential role in various industries. Additionally, working conditions and safety vary from location to location and may improve over time with regulations and technological advancements.